Ready?
Okay, first thing.
Hey guys, today we're gonna show you how to inspect a suspension. And what good suspension do for the car.
Yes.
First of all, you have to take the tire off. First
one
is done.
Second step.
Now we're gonna show you the suspension type here. G, we can talk about this.
Alright, so here we're gonna have short long arm suspension right here, where the spring is holding the weight of the car, and this is the shock. So whenever you get it into a bump, right, the shock basically absorbs the pounding of the car, so you don't feel it inside the car. That's what it is basically. So why is it called short long arm? Okay, so first of all, we have a short arm on top, and we have a long arm at the bottom. That's why it's called short long arm. Of course, we have different types of suspensions, but today we're only going to be focusing on the So basically, those short long arms, the long arm right here is connected to a hub. This hub is holding the rotor, and the short arm is connected to another arm which is connected to the hub. So basically what happens when you hit a bump, that wheel will pop up and then go back down. No, we're not going to do that because it's damn heavy, but like, yeah, so this wheel will go up and jounce and bounce, right? Bounce and jounce and rebound. And that's it. So I hope you like it, and now we're going to show you how we maintain it.
So basically, when your suspension is all worn out, you're supposed to replace the whole shock tower and your bushings, your control arm bushings.
Where's the bushing located?
There's control arm bushings here on the longer arm and on top at the shorter arm.
Okay.
And then also, in order to prevent worn suspension, you have to maintain it. And there's parts on most suspensions that you have to grease with axle grease.
Like which one?
Like your bushings, your ball joints, upper and lower ball joint, lower ball joint, tie rod end, and upper ball joint.
Okay.
You have to, usually there's a grease nipple somewhere, and you have to grease it with a grease gun.
Okay. Don't forget to grease the nipple.
And if you find out your shocks are worn enough, you see oil leaking out of the shock.
That's it.
All right. Hope you enjoyed the video.
What will happen? What will happen if, for example, the shock absorber is broken or leaking? What will happen to the car? What will it do?
So one of the reasons we're gonna notice when the suspension is out, the noises. When you hit a bump, you're gonna hear really loud noises in your in your tire.
And a bang.
Like bang, boom.
Yeah, exactly.
So that is one of the things you're gonna notice when your suspension out, and you have to change it immediately because that is gonna affect your alignment in the car, and it's gonna your tire goes bad.
Exactly. So
your tire will not wear properly.
100%. So thank you very much, Mr. Thomas, Mr. Adham, and Mr. G for taking a nice video. See you guys later.
See you later.